Hello friends, I'm Zakaria Ahmed from Solo ITBD. After watching this video, you will be able to get free domain and hosting like this. So, to get free domain and hosting, we are going to do 3 steps. Step number 1 is to create an account in ProFreeHost. To create an account is to open any browser. In search bar, type ProFreeHost and then press enter. You will see a website like this, profreehost.com. Click on this website. So you can create an account from here, also from here. So to create an account, click here. Let's close this ad. As you can see, it's required our email address and password. So type your email address here and then type password here. It's not your Gmail password, you have to type password for your ProFreeHost account. Then click on this tick mark. As you can see, now it's saying to activate our account. So to activate our account, open your Gmail. As you can see, we have got an email from ProFreeHost. So open this email and click here, activate account. Now it's saying activated successfully. We have successfully created an account. Now step number 2, which is to get free domain. To get free domain, just click create new account. Here you have to type your domain name, but make sure the domain name is available. So as you can see, this domain is available, test domain 123. From here you can select any one of them. So I'm selecting unaux.com. So this will be my domain name, testdomain123.unaux.com, and make sure it will be free domain. Then tick mark. Now it will take some time to activate the domain. Let's wait for some time. Now let's reload the page. As you can see, now it's tick mark. That means our domain has been already activated. Now let's go to step number 3, which is to install WordPress to our domain so that we can make our website. For that, click on manage, and here you will see an option called control panel. Just click here. Now click here, send anyway. Let's approve. Now we are successfully logged into our cPanel. So if you want to visit your file manager, you can click here in the file manager. This is our file manager. From here we can manage our files. Let's suppose you want to make your website and you want to install WordPress. So let's see how you can do that. Let's go to cPanel and here type Softaculous. Click on this. So this is WordPress. Click on install. So make sure your domain has been selected. Then type a username. Then type password. If you want to change your email address, you can type here. And you can type your website name here. So I'm skipping this part. Then scroll down. Then click on install. It's saying congrats, we have successfully installed the WordPress. So let's see how our website is looking now. Just click on this domain. We have successfully installed WordPress. If you want to log into your WordPress dashboard after the domain name, you can type /wp-admin, then press enter. Now type the username and password which we have created earlier. Then click on login. This is how you can get free domain and hosting, and you can install WordPress and you can make your first website. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I will try to reply you. Thank you.